the general manager of Fiji Rice and the chair and the board. And the board has allocated $150,000 to help the farmers do cultivation really quickly, so they can start, recovering from this particular cyclone. And the details of which the general manager will announce in the next few days as to how the assistance will be provided. They are currently going to talk to a number of companies or tractor companies, how they can very quickly mobilize tractors to come out and start cultivating the farm's land preparation, so the farmers can start replanting. As you can see, the damage obviously has been quite extensive. One of the solar silos have gone, and the general manager and his team are doing a fantastic job to try and recover whatever stock that they can recover, and then they'll be making the detailed announcements. But we're quite glad that they have allocated $150,000 for land preparation and cultivation very quickly to assist the farmers get their livelihoods back on, and of course to get the supply of rice back into the market. Did you